How to change the background of a video in CapCut. So I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. Now the first thing we're going to do is just add our background to the project that we want to replace the video background with. So you can see I have this blue background here. Now the next thing you need to do is go and add your video to the timeline. So I'm going to simply drag over my video like this, and you need to make sure the video is placed underneath the background. So I'm just going to move the background to the top like this. You can then click on this I button to hide the background track. Now with your video selected, come over to the top right hand side and click on Remove BG. You can then click on Auto Removal. Now just bear in mind that you will need CapCut Premium in order to use this feature, and this should go and automatically remove the background from the video. If it doesn't get it right the first time, you can always use the custom removal instead, and this will give you more control about removing the background. Now with the background removed, we can now go and unhide this top layer, and then you just need to go and drag this video footage on top of the background layer like so. And as you can see, we have now changed the background. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.